In previous video I showed how to find malfunctioning glow plug on Volvo D5 151 kilowatts engine. For this video I received new glow plug and it was time to replace the broken one. Link for diagnostics is added in upper corner of the video. The glow plug for this engine is 7 voltage glow plug as it was written on the old plug. I was purchased also 7 voltage plug, so it was time to put it back together. Although they seem different at the heated end, I have no doubts that the new one would not work. Copper grease is used for against the rust. Finally, it was again time to conduct continuity test and resistance test. Continuity was there so we know the plug is working. On resistance side the resistance was approximately around the same range as other plugs, so it is confirmed. The new plug has all the options to work as intended. Just before putting everything back together, it was time to go over the plugs with electrical connector cleaning aerosol. Better to do it now when everything is apart to create the best conditions for not to come back to glow plugs issues during upcoming winter.